Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bookworm Adventures on Android. This beloved word-spelling adventure game, featuring Lex the Bookworm, offers hours of engaging fun. While a direct App Store version for the Adventures title can be elusive, there are effective ways to bring this captivating experience to your mobile device. We will guide you through the process, ensuring you can embark on your lexical quest. One popular method involves using an Android emulator, such as WinLater, which allows you to run Windows applications on your phone. First, you will need to download and install this emulator. Once installed, open the application and create a new container. Within this container's advanced settings, ensure the Windows version is set to either Windows 10 or Windows 7 for optimal compatibility. Next, you will need to acquire the Bookworm Adventures game files. After downloading them, transfer these files into the game's folder located within your WinLater container. This step is crucial for the emulator to recognize the game. Once the files are in place, run your container. After it loads, simply click on the imported application and then select the game's executable file to start your adventure. As an alternative, you might find a direct Bookworm Adventures APK file online, which could offer a more straightforward installation process. Regardless of your setup method, prepare to immerse yourself in Lex's captivating journey. The game features an engaging storyline, where crafting elaborate words becomes your potent attack against foes. You will also discover diverse and entertaining minigames, adding even more fun to your strategic wordplay duels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.